this panel, you can use a 15mm socket and take these bolts off. There's two up here. And slide the panel down. Disconnect this connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide it off. Disconnect this connector up here. You can use a pick. Just try to get behind the little tab. You might need two picks. And just slide that off like that. Take this bolt off right here. Use a 10mm socket. And take the bolt off up here. Use the same 10mm socket. And when you take the bolt off, you can take the bracket off with the harness, just like that. Now you want to take something like a pick or a pry bar and just try to get underneath the cam sensor. Try to wiggle it back and forth. And once you get it loosened, you can just slide it right out, just like that. Take the new sensor, just line it up. You can put a little bit of oil on the seal if you want. Make it go in a little easier. And that's good. Now we can take this bracket and slide it in position. At this point, you can connect it. It might be a little easier. There you go, that's connected. Then you can put the bolts in. And get this bolt in as well. And then you can tighten those both down. Just snug them down. That's good. Now I'll plug it in. And line the cover up, slide it in position. And tighten these down.